different kind of sweet potato. Orange, yellow, cheesy. Good morning, people. Welcome to another vlog. In today's video, I'm going to cook again breakfast. And by the way, I include Samantha in most of my previous videos, home videos especially. So YT policy is getting strict. So right now, I'm filming Samantha, but I'm going to remove her in YT and then post her videos in my Patreon account. If you want to see Samantha, you can visit in my Patreon account, which is you can pledge any amount and then you can view the videos of Samantha. It's because I don't want to demonetize or YT remove or block my account, so I need to follow their policy. But I know all of you wants to see Samantha in my videos because she's really a cutie. My Samantha videos would be on my Patreon account. So right now we have here hot dog. This is cooked hot dog already. I chopped this thin, and then this is the cheese, and then we have salt and we have pepper. We have here potato. Yes, this is a sweet potato. You can use normal potato or sweet potato. This is different kind of sweet potato. Orange, and this is yellow. So let's do it. Okay, here's the sweet potato. So we're going to start with the orange sweet potato. We're going to crush it with potato smasher. Okay, then after, we're going to put a little bit of pepper just to taste, you know, a little bit of salt, then mix the amount of potato like this. So I'm going to use small chicken egg, while this one is extra large and this is small. See the difference? So I'm going to put this, and then when we're going to smash the big potato right here, we're going to use the big ones. Then mix it. We're going to make a flat, like this is potato sandwich. Okay, let's put right here. Put the hot dog on top. Okay, that's it. And then let's put the cheese on top. Make another one. Okay, and then put on top. Try to close them. That's it. Make as many as you want. So this is it. So we're going to put some oil on top like this, and then fry it later aside and finish the other one. So we have here the yellow. It already tastes good. Pepper, salt, mix it, put egg, mix. It's done. Another one.
Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you.
That's it. let's try it and believe it. Cheesy. Namite. It tastes delicious. So I'm going to continue making my butt pillow. Butt pillow. So this is also cellophane. This is from a package. I'm going to cut it into pieces. Let's make it big. So this is a good recycle. Saves a lot of plastic trash, and then also good for environment and earth. I'll keep doing it. Even if I finish my one pillow, I'll make another pillow as long as there's plastic, you know? You should do that also. Instead of buying some pillows in the market, depends on you because some people are lazy to do something like this. But for me, it's not. Since it's quarantine and I can't buy in the store clothes, so let's do it. It's not hard, you know. While you're watching TV, you do this, right? It gives comfortable with your butt also. Because my butt hurts from too much sitting in the plastic chair. I don't have nice chair.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the.
I was thinking including a plastic, a paper. But the thing is, once it gets wet, the paper got wet also and then turns into something different. So I decided to just use plastic. So I have my pillow at the office table downstairs. So let's continue doing later once we saw plastic again.
It's quite
gain weight. I can tell when I gain weight is because I feel like fatty stomach. It's probably because of too much cooking and eating. Yeah, because I've been doing cooking vlog daily and then ate a lot and cook a lot. So yeah, there's the good news. Going to take shower. Bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will see more videos of me traveling around Philippines, other countries. Also, if you wanna see more videos of Mindanao, my home life that you'll never see in the other channel.